Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Princess Graciella from Barbie in a very secret in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, this is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this pink color. This is for the color code. And then you're going to put on this tiara. This is from the VIP room, and you're going to color it with this color for the base and for the diamonds. And then you're going to do little adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate, and then scale. Okay, and you're going to put on this necklace. This is also from the VIP room, and you're going to color it with this pink color. Okay. And then I'm going to enter the VIP room and we're going to choose this dress, this one, and I'm going to color it with this pink color. Okay, this is for the color code guys, and for the second one you're going to color it with this color and you're going to make them glitter for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to combine it with this skirt and we're going to make it glitter and apply the same pink color. Okay, and I'm going to add this skirt as well. We're going to choose the toggle 4. Alright, and then I'm going to select this shoes and I'm going to make it this pink color for all the selections, and then I'm going to select the shoes and I'm going to remove the sock. Okay, and for the color I'm going to make it this pink color for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to select this item. Okay, and I'm going to choose only chains. Alright, and the last one, we're going to select the wings. I'm going to combine it to wings. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys the color for the wings. For the wings, you can color it with this color for the first selection, the second selection, and third selection. This is for this wings, and for this one you're going to color it with this color and combine it with this color. Basically we just need to color them with the light pink and dark pink, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Princess Graciella from Barbie in a very secret in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.